Tired of spending hundreds of dollars on expensive software? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll walk you through free, high-quality alternatives to some of the most popular tools out there. They're just as powerful and can save you tons of money. Stick around for all 8, and I've got a bonus tip at the end. Let's dive in. 1. Microsoft Office alternative is LibreOffice or Google Docs. Why pay for Microsoft Office when free tools can do the same job? LibreOffice, a complete offline suite that includes tools for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. It supports most Office file formats, so you can easily work on Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files. Google Docs, Smarsh, Sheets, Slides, a cloud-based alternative that allows you to create, edit, and share documents from anywhere. Plus, its real-time collaboration feature is perfect for team projects. Whether you need offline functionality or collaborative tools, these options have got you covered without costing a dime. 2. Adobe Photoshop alternative is GIMP. Adobe Photoshop is amazing, but the price tag can scare many away. That's where GIMP comes in. GIMP. This open source software offers professional grade tools for photo editing, graphic design, and even digital painting. From retouching photos to creating designs for your projects, GIMP handles it all. Need tutorials? GIMP has a huge community of users sharing tips and tricks online, making it easy to learn. Free. Adobe Premiere Pro alternative is DaVinci Resolve. Video editing can be pricey, but here's a professional tool that's absolutely free. DaVinci Resolve. Known for its Hollywood-level editing capabilities, this software is a dream come true for video editors. It features advanced color grading, audio post-production, and visual effects. And here's the best part, it's free to use for personal projects. You get a studio-level experience at zero cost. 4th AutoCAD alternative is FreeCAD. Are you into 3D modeling or designing? Don't worry about paying for expensive software like AutoCAD, FreeCAD. This open source CAD software is perfect for architects, engineers, and hobbyists. It's user-friendly and supports advanced modeling, simulations, and parametric design. Bonus tip: FreeCAD supports extensions, so you can customize it further for your needs. It's the perfect starting point for anyone in design. 5. QuickBooks alternative is Wave. Managing finances is essential, but paying for accounting tools like QuickBooks? Not anymore. Wave. This accounting software is free and comes with features like income tracking, expense management, and invoice creation. Wave also integrates with your bank accounts, helping you automate a lot of your financial workflows. Whether you're a freelancer or running a small business, this tool is your best friend. 6. MATLAB alternative is GNU Octave or Scilab. If you're into data analysis or engineering, you know MATLAB is a top choice, but it's expensive. Here are 2 amazing alternatives. GNU Octave. Its syntax is similar to MATLAB, making it easy for students and researchers to switch over. You can perform mathematical computations, create visualizations, and even write complex scripts. Scilab. Another excellent choice. Scilab offers extensive libraries for engineering and scientific applications, all for free. Pro tip: if you're a student, these tools can help you save big while still achieving professional results. 7. Spotify Premium alternative is YouTube Music Free Love. Streaming music, but not the monthly subscription fees? YouTube Music Free. With a huge library of songs and playlists, this ad-supported version lets you enjoy music at no cost. Yes, there are ads, but if you can deal with that, you'll get access to nearly everything you'd find on Spotify or Apple Music completely free. 8. Dropbox alternative is Google Drive or OneDrive cloud storage is essential these days, but you don't have to pay for it. Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes of free space that you can use for documents, photos, and more. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other Google services. OneDrive provides 5 gigabytes of free storage with tight integration into Windows, making it perfect for PC users. Bonus tip: if you need more space, you can create multiple accounts or look for limited time promotional offers from these platforms. These free alternatives can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars without compromising on quality. Whether you're working on documents, editing videos, or managing finances, there's a free tool for you. Which of these alternatives are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.